In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of being unable to connect to iCloud on your iPhone or iPad. This can be a frustrating problem, but don't worry, we'll go through some simple steps to get you back on track. First things first, let's start by checking your internet connection. This is a crucial step because iCloud requires a stable connection to function. Ensure that your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is working properly. You can do this by opening a website or streaming a short video to see if your connection is stable. Sometimes a weak or interrupted connection can cause issues with iCloud. If your internet is working fine, the next step to try is restarting your device. It's a quick and often effective solution. Simply power off your iPhone or iPad and wait for about 10 seconds before turning it back on. This can help refresh the system and resolve any temporary glitches that might be hindering your connection to iCloud. Once your device is back on, and if you're still facing issues, another approach is to sign out and then sign back into iCloud. To do this, go to the Settings app and tap on your name at the top. From there, scroll down and tap Sign Out. This will log you out of iCloud, but no worries, you'll be able to sign back in easily. After signing out, restart your device again for good measure. Once it's back on, head to the same section in Settings and sign back into iCloud with your Apple ID and password. Still no luck? Let's move on to ensuring your iOS or iPadOS software is up to date. An outdated software version can occasionally cause compatibility issues with iCloud. Simply go to Settings, then tap General and select Software Update. If there's an update available, go ahead and install it. Keeping your device updated ensures better performance and more seamless connectivity with iCloud. Finally, if none of these steps resolve the problem, you might consider resetting your network settings. This can help eliminate any issues related to stored network configurations. To do this, go to Settings, tap on General, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, choose Reset and tap on Reset Network Settings. Note that by doing this, you'll need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords afterwards, so make sure you have those handy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to solve any problems connecting to iCloud on your iPhone or iPad. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time.